Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. We are rebuilding a Skyline at the moment, restoring it, modifying it and all that. I also do A45 AMG stuff. This is the next car we're going to be cracking on with. Once the Skyline's up and running on the road, I can use it every day sort of thing. Because I don't want to rip this car apart while the Skyline's in pieces as well. I need to have one car that works. It's my daily. So, but anyway, what was I saying? Today, we say it again, it's going to be the day where we start the Skyline for the first time in over 3 years. But we've done starter motor, we've done fuel pump, now we need spark. That's the ECU problems. Jack from Project Race Car, he's a YouTuber as well, but he also is a software programmer or whatever, and he knows how to basically put a base map on my Link ECU. So I'm meeting up at the garage at 4:30. It's 1:30 now, just finished work. I'm going to go to the gym, got 3-hour gym sesh, get up the garage, put the base map on, start the car, boom, happy days. We have a running car is the plan, but who knows. So I'll see you after the gym and at the garage.
Blue, the feeling behind my eye. You stood out 'cause you were in red.
Hey, gym completed. Check. Legs destroyed, abs destroyed. Get some petrol for the Merc and spend £1 million on that. I don't know how much it is nowadays, but it ain't cheap, I know that much. Thanks, Russia. And get up the garage.
White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Okay, that plan was a big fat fail. Jack didn't make it up there in time. He was busy doing something else with his car. So we arranged to meet him up there to put the base map on the next day, and then I didn't finish work till late 7 o'clock at night, so he couldn't do it then. He couldn't do it yesterday, so now it's Saturday. He is going up there later, and I'm going up there now, and hopefully he can do it today and we can get this car started, because on Monday the car is going over to paint again, but hopefully this time it gets painted. Let's get up the garage, have a look at it. Oh, look at this.
At the festival that we
Outside.
met at,
We're gonna put it in, are we? I'm not.
And now I can't imagine me with anybody else.
Hey boys, we have installed, while waiting on the jack, the throttle cable, the extended one that I bought from Conceptor Tuning. I'll link it in the description down below. But it is very extended. Yeah, I'm going to have to trim it down or tuck it somewhere. Okay guys, I've seen the Skylines outside for it. It looked nice outside, even though it's different colours. But yeah, as you can see, the I've not got the car base mapped. Jack's out and about doing stuff, so it goes some paint on Monday. It's Saturday now. Garage is shut tomorrow, so yeah, I just fitted the throttle cable, the extended throttle cable. I mean, it's very extended. Probably need to shorten it if anything, but yeah, that's on there, sort of. Let's say 90% done. I say I can't do anything more without base map, so yeah, it goes to paint. Once it's finished getting painted, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take it straight from the body shop and then straight to a garage down in Plymouth called Pro 4M. They're like a tuner's shop, so they'll be able to put a base map on it, get the car running and working basically. Finish up all the little bits, do a bit of fabrication on the intercooler piping that needs doing, because the intercooler piping it's on, but it's not fitting how it should. It's not all lined up perfectly. It's all a bit bent up and stuff, so I'm gonna get that guy to fabricate some decent intercooler piping so it all looks fresh and perfectly straight. Also weld on a circle thing for the blow off valve, so we can put that on the intercooler piping. And also he needs to put in, they also need to get a air temp sensor for the Link ECU. Apparently that's needed, and also a, what do you call it, Also places the O2 sensor again. The I don't know what it's called. Hold on, I'll have a look. Yeah, he needs to fit the an AEM wideband into the car, so air fuel ratio, you get a little gauge of it. I mean, you don't have to have a gauge, but I'll probably end up getting a gauge, an AEM one, so it'll tell you how rich or lean you're running. And also you need that wired into the ECU, the link ECU, so that it's happy basically. I don't know what I'm talking about most of the time with this stuff, but yeah, this is what he said you need, so I'm going to get him to do it all because I'm useless at that type of stuff. But yeah, I think that's going to be it. When I pop up to the paint shop on Monday, see if a car's there, see if he started it finally, I'll let you guys have a little look and keep you up to date with what's going on. Hopefully it's not too long, a week or two maximum, and then the car's painted and then down to the tuners. But yeah, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me know what you think of the build so far in the comment section down below. Hit the little bell icon if you want to keep along, and take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know